Yeah, my people, they are getting, see me? You don't know them subscribers and viewers. Me soon reaching out and recommending a video for my phone. Then I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna drop that one here first. You see me? Cause it did done, but they don't have the intention for drop. But yeah, we I do thing. You see me? I say on the vibes card thing, phone. It's a mad thing. You don't know. Big up every viewers and subscriber. You don't know. Everyone, each and everyone on mad thing. So this a video now with up on a Nicki Minaj TikTok live with Blamdem. You see me? We are them and the whole of Nicki favorite tics them. You see me? Be a lion share give them be a gifts on top of gifts on top of gifts. You see me? Nicki waste money on the Jamaican TikTokers them. Like Sadiq and Assassin. Money machine, you see me? Big up Nicki for that. You don't know. Yeah. And people are from America. I see some viral video go around with some American people. I said, you've been with the Jamaican TikTokers for too long, you know what I'm saying? And then you have the Trinidadian them fight against Nicki, you see me? Because Marshall Montano, the for he had some interesting words to say about Nicki the other day. Say my fight her, right? The Soca Kings. So Nicki actually responded and said what she said, and then she told them that, you know what, I'm going over to Jamaica, you know, yeah, which are the TikTok them, so she should forward over the Jamaican TikToker side and rap with the Jamaican them, her favorite TikToker them, and you know she a gift them and bless them up, and she give all people in the comments. So people, if you know down bad on the luck and you want some gifts, just look out for Nicki live them. You might lucky enough to get something. You see? And if you're lucky to get nothing, or something big, I should have a smaller giveaway as it. Yeah. So all heap of people and Nicki Minaj kick off. Got a live, Nicki a respond to enough of the allegations and the rumors and the war with, people where throw shades at her or jabs or punches, the attacks where some people are make right now coming at Nicki. Nicki had the Jamaican TikTokers them embrace her and fight the fight with her, fight the good fight with her. You see it? So it's a good look. I don't know Nicki have a girl, and as Cartel make it clear that Drake, being the international pop star like that, Michael Jackson, was is like we had that bond with these artists. Isn't it? We had that bond over the years. So we're not gonna jump ship from them because we've been supporting them. And we're still loyal, you know what I mean? Yeah, we might not like some of the things where I said are been done, but we have to move on. We can't stay in content with you know what I mean? With celebs them where have done so much for us where we're supposed to appreciate. So that's why me I bring on the live. I'm very interested and whole heap of thing on go see. Be entertainment with Blam them, Rosalie, Jaden, Fabi, other people on the live and you don't know be excitement. So open to enjoy the thing, is right? Cause it mad when I lie. So I'm gonna go and watch. Mm. Nicki Minaj, turn up the scheme. Remember me tell you make sure to follow Nicki on TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Mm. No joke. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is the video with my Marshall Montano, disrespecting Nicki Minaj.
Stop it. Stop fighting it up. Nicki Minaj, stop fighting it up. Kill that killer, stop fighting it up. I is the daddy. I is the daddy. Look at the screen.
What the ass is this? What the ass is this? What the ass I do?
Look, may I say too? That we all want to know. So shall fight him down.
I will cuss you very, very, very fucking stink. Yeah.
Link it up, you know. Star.
I miss you if you learn it from. She know to cry. No? Yeah.
Yo, I was really chewing. Why did you? I Nicki Minaj, you know why you're vibe. I said talk, make them talk back to Jaden. Back, and them a this yo. Jake says I look big. What this big man? Me saying Kelly says it. Just kidding. No can't this woman in a Blamdem. Me not gonna allow it, you know. I know it. Why should I comment? Miss Stripper, but just a consumer in here, madam, you know. You have to go past that. Because she wanted to know about the microwave. Miss Stripper, house empty. Oh, yeah, me still not on the microwave. I'm going to go lock up my car, Blamdem. What the ras, yo, man. Me still not on the microwave. Yo, Blamdem, between me and still on Miss Stripper, they pay us a big long time, you know. Long time, Miss Stripper, a big, that's a real thing. We just start big. Blamdem, before me, Miss Stripper, they are something. Yeah. Say before the begging, say that part. I'm over TikTok doing live before Gift was here. Oh. Say that part. Giving encouragement and motivation to a lot of people. Somebody have the microphone. Then you pop something to that before you turn my phone. Somebody has the microphone. But when me not talk, nobody is not talking. Probably top take back and sit there. If we not talking, if we not talking, I want to stink like Rosalie pissing up. So you better talk. Jaden. Alright, sorry. I go to what? Alright. Yeah. Jaden. This is what I want to offer you something, Jaden. Yes. I would like to offer you. Extra tongue? Excuse me? No, sorry. Extra tongue? Sorry. Extra tongue? Who are you talking about and what are you talking about? No, that's like, because... Extra tongue? Whose tongue? I really want that because we have one tongue and we have more tongue. Alright. You want to know why your tongue, Jaden? No, me I say me have one tongue and we want more tongue if you want, you know? To do what? To do what? To do what? Consume. To do what? Consume. Nicki is so pussy. What? I should suck pussy? Rose, are we attending to the No, pussy clad. Wait, me have to check. Wait, no bumper. Me have to check back in the yard. Me have to go back a yard for this blood clot conversation, yeah. What you say? A while ago? No, he say want the extra tongue and matter about eat. So I tell you, I saw pussy my argument matter about. All the pussy in one sock. Bobby. Better bomber cat said that. I'm offering you therapy classes, therapy sessions. I want to offer you and Fabi separate therapy, not couples therapy, but separate therapy. No, look, it's not. Tell the
little batty boy, don't call me name, little
dirty blood clot, fucking, when you like to watch this
batty man.
wing, dirty looking batty boy. Jake.
Man, if you're termite.
Don't come here for that, you're gonna stop pushing in a Rosalie bottom. Move it, dirty blood clot. What?
Jake said too much trunk, so go lay down with that.
Blamdem.
Blamdem.
Now you made me just fucking lose a whole nother lion. Now I gotta send Ivani a lion.
But Nicki Minaj, I mean, don't forget lion.
No, that's a bad mind talk.
Call Ivani. Now you just got her a lion. Thank you, Blamdem. Well, at least I ain't say the whole word, so that's only one lion. Abby, you got 2 new words.
So Rosalie, we can ask you something? Rosalie.
You love Rose.
Who look better?
Love Rose.
Listen. Everybody will do them body. Who look better? Everybody will do them body. Look.
You might take people them TikTok money to them body.
The people them doing with their money.
So you have my cock with your money.
Blamdem, your sauce, rather start with anyways, let's talk about it.
Hey Rose. Them bad cock you buy with your money, you know, coming
you buy. I'm not born with, but you need to go fix the eye.
Alright then.
No man, Blamdem.
Yeah, pretty. I don't have a problem here.
No man, Blamdem, you're pretty.
Like people with themselves, they are dopey. Your journey good? Yeah, good.
Show them journey.
That's him. I know. I will be a journey guide up to them. You know.
I just made that through.
Yeah, they made that through.
Yeah, Bob termite.
Left him. They made that. And as Rosalie
is a real waste man in the dog.
No, let him not done. But Blamdem, after never him fuck your mother get you.
No, Blamdem. We run the whole
Jake, them now.
They run that Jake. I remember Remember Rosalie alone can't bad up in the kind of police shit your pants.
Let's see people that coming on a problem.
I want to hear this batty man in a Jake.
I'm not done. Just leave him and go on and leave Blamdem. I'm not done. You're advancing. You know, rest sleep. Change that topic there.
Left him the pussy clot. Oh, blood clot.
Nicki Minaj, the 2 times you said.
No, I said it once and then I caught myself before I said it again, ma'am.
And then you just say it again. You say Blamdem.
No, I said blam. That's how I gotta say his name because I can't say the other part. You brighty? Yeah, see?
That's so sweet. We know you could hold it.
I know, but I gotta.
So what you say make you call it? Him over here get trouble, you try to talk to him and you call it.
Yeah, because he's bothering Rose's husband, you know, for nothing. I don't know what's going on. He's just bothering Rose's husband.
Jaden, what did you hear word again?
Yo, Van, if you're not seeing a car, you come in a box and heal up Nicki alone.
What? No, the lion me come from. Me did up here earlier. My one start over, it's squash.
No,
It's squash. So you lose, because you say eat today.
Me? When that?
I'm saying nyam.
Yeah, you said nyam and the things them say you lose.
John, why people in my job?
Because he can't tame.
Jaden, I have a question for you. But what if you like to see that people see?
He go like favorite too. I mean, I'm video I'm saying here.
No.
Nah, sure.
Rose. What did I eat you? What do you mean? What Jaden is that eat pussy? But remember the Rosalie, remember say and get only for ear, no. Remember say if and get only for ear and have nothing to do with nothing. Yeah. Can't ban to think. No, she not like you. Remember me going in the yard, you go piss around one corner around the think like that. Remember that? I'm gonna piss around one corner around the think like that. Yeah, I force somebody to piss around there. The guy man, you're not carrying on one corner? Yeah, you bring around one corner.
You got my I can't go on corner?
Yeah, your corner.
Tell the people what you really care when me really go on the corner for.
What me go on the corner for?
You want a piece by you.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. You want a piece by you. Some careless body. And if you eat from the sea, you must careless. If you eat from the unrighteous, you must careless. If you want to get sharp sense.
You like to have sense? Your body like to have sense?
Why can't you stop? We need a moderator to mute them from his. I'm trying to just give the last piece of instructions so I can go in on my bomber clot yard. I can go in on the blood clot studio. I can do what I have to do or go in on my blood clot bed. Choose it on a just chat. When it chat triple chat. This that. Ras clat, jigs, bomber clat, piss pan this, piss pan that. Miss say, how much piss can one somebody blood clot piss? How much piss when I go piss now? Van, who you talking to? Let me block you. Cause I don't know if that was for me, but you're gonna get blocked anyway, boo. Okay, now. Thank you.
Yeah, go like say never come, sir.
Oh!
Until I have to do it to them.
Yeah, I'm going to tell her to do it for you.
No.
Rose, I'm
Are you going to tell her to do it?
Rose, I'm going to tell her the story.
I'm telling the story.
No, let me tell her the story. Rose, are you the man for Rose? Are you the man for Rose?
No, I'm not for Rose.
Blamdem, can you make me a moderator?
Yeah, moderator.
Oh, fuck.
Two lion. Me a corn. Continue Nicki Minaj.
Let me tell you what your new words are. You see? You know what? I'm gonna deduct it from Blam because he's the one. Every time he's getting on my nerves, I gotta be saying his name. Okay, now you just want her another lion. Yep, I gotta find what I gotta call him now, y'all.
Blam, just say Blam.
And I'm gonna say.
Just say throat water. You know, say a waste man, Jaden.
This him bad, Blam.
Bad man, I don't share right because this him. Yo, I'm the amount of time I bring, bro, it don't make sense. Me agree with me. Right, so me top on side. It not no shame. I can't agree with them. And this drunk with that. You see them first thing you know them more than no class. Man have it, you see, I be used to come up in your foot and go live and get gifts. I'm in a war I'm in the people back in I'm used to make people back in look at nice again. That's a what? And the girl, woman on TikTok.
Blamdem.
They're going on ambition there.
Blamdem.
Don't talk to me, Batty boy. Look at big waist man, Batty boy. Don't talk to me, Batty boy.
Your mother can't dash when you in here too fat.
Wait a minute, I cut off your mic. I muted Jaden, and then okay. Now
who seems to let talk over there? Jaden, you're mute. We can't hear no what you have to say.
Jaden, I have to give Fabi her 2 new words so I can go about my business, sir. And y'all fuck up my high, you know. Yo, me never want to say nothing. Yo, y'all bumper clot. Fuck up my high, dog.
Nicki, about 5 times you say okay a while ago. So here what? Just make
triple, me not. Me don't want 5. Take it no more. Mr. Lord, me can't take it no more.
Cancel the junior from me. And you don't have to give me all of them, like, because 5 to 6 times.
All right, fine. So you left, okay, all right. You still got your tooth lions dribble, okay? Can I go do what can I cuss everybody out now for 2 seconds right now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take a minute.
No, thank you. I just need to cuss everybody right now the fuck out. Every fucking body. Because me I there, here, and me I try to work, me I try to do certain things. And all I wanna, first of all, this is summer school. People go to summer school because they don't know how to act in regular school. They didn't pass. They failed in regular school. They bring their ass to summer school. And then you expect them to want to pass and be good. But what happens with this group? They all just, them can't team. So I just wanted y'all all to see them can't bomba clot team. I don't want to hear nobody call out them pussy clot name. Never again. Wanna see? Wanna same people that say them do this, them do that. No, them can't team. Y'all say, oh, they like sweets, them can't team. I wanted to show y'all that, okay? So, now that we've established that, I don't want nobody else saying my name. I don't want nobody that named themselves after a white mobster or anyone else to call my name. You see, as soon as you call my name, things happen.
Who is a white man?
Batty so good, got it. Got near mount your mother look a batty boy. Yes. So good.
Oh.
Suck your mother, you don't call me name. Blamdem, if you take him down in the... Yo, I tell him, man, beat Gatti a bombo clan, Maryland. Beat out him bombo clan and take him inside. Gatti a dirty clan, blood clan. Gatti was a real fat, Gatti a waste man.
Listen, let me wait. But what can I say? NJ, listen. I just want to say this one. If you name yourself after a white Italian mobster who was nicknamed the Teflon motherfucking Don, you know why? Because the charges didn't stick. The charges was not sticking for many, many fucking years. But how can you call yourself that when clearly the charge stuck, bitch? Because you was deported, hoe. You was deported, nigga. Okay?
I mistake make Gatti boy, you know, because he mother go sell fuck run up a brother and he can't dumb go bust. Same like that.
Me just bumble clat hear about her. But me I try to tell one of this. Do not call my name.
Why would you call her name?
Because when they think they are a white Italian mobster from New York, and the person was also called, the Dapper Don, because of the way they could afford them fly ass suits and shit, and was coming, with their hair just freshly did and shit like that. That was real money. That's real money talk. So when you comparing yourself or renaming yourself after somebody like that, yet you was deported. Everything I go, everything done.
Well, that's it. Well, that's a call about the lady. This is a stop. Yeah, we're going. Listen to me. Yeah, hear me, Rosalie. That you know everything we're going. That you know say a boss said brother Raymond met boss said there. And he come and call him and name by phone.
Okay, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it no more, guys. Because I just wanted everybody to know I be minding my business, as y'all saw. And people just wake up out their bed and call my name. And then when I say something, people think I bothered the person. And and that's so messed up. But now
I see them. Why you see them? I see him.
He's been wanting me to see him. That's why he went and got his hair cut.
I never was he want to tell you. You are him. Didn't want to tell you.
I know. Why you see him? Dapper_outlaw said Nicki is too mixed up. Yes, now come mix up and I'm post it.
Right now, me feel like more shitting on. Tell about me more. More mix up. Move your blood catalyst. Mama say you get the drunk and the messy man.
Yeah, because they on here for what? Do y'all know? Is this a church channel?
Nicki Minaj, them want you them want you to go on them live, go whole conversation like what you do with Blamdem and send them gift. And that them want, so through them can't get it, them turn around. If it was the other way around, them would have said this boy.
Of course, no, he was
because you have your favorite of who you give things to, that is the problem.
What you said?
Because you have your favorite, you have your set of people that you support.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't like that. They want you to support who they want you to support, or they want you to support them. So true, them can't tell you what to do or what to spend your money or what to go. It's gonna be a problem.
Yeah, you know who's gonna be a problem for? You know who it's gonna be a problem for? It's gonna be a problem for them. You know who it's never a problem for? Me. That's my blood clot, Noah. And you know who is always a problem for? People who lie on me. They just don't know the history, but they'll learn. I don't like that. You can talk the truth about me because that's my truth. And I'm not afraid of anybody. I only have the fear of God. Okay? And respect, because I'm a married woman. I have to respect my husband.
General.
So, but outside of that,
hey,
outside of that, there's nobody on planet Earth that I fear, because when you really put your trust and your faith in God, nobody can put fear, instill fear in you at all, right? So when people see that you do what you want and you move on your own time, it makes them feel uncomfortable because they can't predict you. So, but when you make heinous, horrendous accusations about people and they aren't true, I'ma leave you to the universe, and we gonna see, and we gonna take it from there. Okay. And then we Bobby's doing words. Huh? What you say, Rose?
My people come on TikTok, you know.
I know, but guess what, Rose? Guess who else is one mad girl? And them never know. That's what them. Y'all can't tell that by now. Y'all can't tell that about me. Like, I mean, use your brains, y'all.
Well,
use your brains. Like, do I act like a normal human being? Who gives it? Like, come on.
Yeah, that means it can't chip anytime.
Anytime.
I can't run it. Rosalie did say, your body not the one.
A lie, sister.
I was human body. Me and woman in that body story. When I stop having so food.
No, exactly. XOXO shy. That you said it so right. XOXO.shy said Sagittarius energy. That is very true. XOXO. That's the thing. Like how even for years before TikTok, they probably threw all of the stuff that Ivani went through. That people try to like shame you out of being who you are, and it confuses them when you really don't give a fuck, because most people say they don't give a fuck, but they do. So the people who really don't give a fuck confuses the world. They like, wait a minute. So and this is another thing. The more you tell us not to do something, the more we're gonna do it. So when they have a fit every day, and it's like watching little kids throw a temper tantrum because they didn't get my fucking money that I worked for, that I had to stay in the studio for hours and write raps to get my money, that I had to build my wonderful fan base of people all around the world, from all areas of the world, from all walks of life, all races, all religions. When they see that they can't just be like saying anything and it's gonna make me say, oh, let me come over TikTok, man. This is too, they saying I'm mixed up. All of y'all fucking mixed up. Everybody on TikTok is fucking mixed up. All of y'all wanna watch gossip and drama. Shut the fuck up.
Well, Nicki, I wouldn't. Like I tell you this, Nicki, I don't feel like it's a TikTok mix up. The world mix up.
And that's exactly.
The world.
Who gave me that word?
Everybody mix up in their own different.
World.
Who gave me that word? Now I gotta give somebody else a lion. Oh, I just said somebody's word. Fabi's word.
Caribbean?
Yeah, Fabi.
No, you just some word I want to go Nicki Minaj.
Yes, ma'am.
I want the word.
Fabi gets one lion.
Yeah.
Well, the girls, look.
The world mix
Look at how
up.
the girls is winning today because, child, if I gotta give out one more lion.
Everybody mix up the two.
Nicki Minaj, look how them plus Blamdem every day for you. Say you only give Blamdem, eh? Look how them cuss Blamdem for you every day. I see how only Blamdem like you.
I know so I want to get more gifts, Dammy. No, man, Vanny, you say that, man. Are you say that, Vanny? Man, no bumbo.
Well, Jaden, move it. Go on, man.
Blamdem video cuss.
Yeah.
Me no cuss people too. Me can't defend me cussing, bro. I want to hear that. That's what I'm saying. Not the brand. Yo, Jeff, suck your mother and top for him. The batty boy. You look a big batty boy there. I guess yeah, yes, man. You suck Rosalie pussy for money. I'll be 100 and 200 beg girls to go buy rum special. Batty boy. Suck your mother, Jakes. Yeah,
you just said Blamdem.
I said blam.
Hey, wanna listen to Kina? I want to get
say it again.
Jaden, send me a chart thing and you come out with fear handicap blood clot self. You want some lamp aisle, Jaden, lamp aisle. Go on, you want lamp aisle and look a porridge.
You never do our body.
She put on look good.
Don't worry about my body.
Right now, let me tell you something. If Rosalie ever fit do her body, the internet.
God, come.
Shade room, you reach Rosalie if you do your body. Shade room.
Me not do nobody. I got
has to change her.
Put that there.
Before Rose does her body, though, when she goes into the doctor, they're gonna tell her she has to still lose weight, a little bit of weight first. No, that's not a joke. I'm being serious.
No, true. I don't know joke.
They'll have to. No, for real. You'll have to. And anyway, she doesn't.
A lie. Not you, Nicki Minaj.
Oh yeah. So Ivana, you said body.
When?
Just now.
A lie. When Venus a lie, the matter.
So instead of 2 lions, now you're back down to 1. Thank you guys for somebody said ATL Jacob sent me a lion.
Bad man, you look what I say. You're black and like tar and stay so, you know.
What? Don't say that, Vonnie.
You can like to see Rose picture. What do my picture?
Excuse me. No black things are going on. We're not say that.
Well then, I don't know where you use and grind your woman because your mouth you can chat. Because you don't look like you have no organ. Rose.
How you know he look like he got
for last time one Rose are premium, Rose. After them must look for you, I'm stupid, you don't have nothing at all. Rose, me are premium too, you know? You never are premium because you know my type.
Anyway, you guys, let me give Fabi her words, child. I gotta give Fabi her words. Where's Fabi?
I'm here, right here beside my baby.
And y'all told me not to give her that as my word yesterday when that was my word for her. Anyway, your 2 new words, Fabi, is boy, and what other thing you call him, Dobie. I don't even want to know what it is, but you know what it is. Don't be. Boy and don't be. So you can't say the word boy, and you can't say don't be. Okay, that's it. But somebody won. Y'all won a lot of lions today, so y'all can't say I'm unfair.
So me win. I don't know me you know.
Well, because the word that you gave me, I didn't say it. I didn't say your word or Blam's word.
Moms.
No, Nicki Minaj, that a thief. You can't say the word Blam either because
You never said that, girl. Sit show it.
Because if the word is Blamdem, all you want shorten it to Blam.
Because the word exactly. Don't try to be.
No, me I make your pass, but it no match up. You can't say Blam because it'll be unfair.
Blam.
You can't say Blam or Blamdem.
Me say Blam. You never said that the other day.
I seen out the thing they made us say him you work with him.
Well, Jaden, I didn't say the word you gave me, and I didn't say the word Blam gave me. So far, the other people, I did say their word, so they're good. They're good at observation.
So why am I gonna get no new word?
No, your word is triple chat and chat triple.
Oh. Hey, Mr. Rose, don't come online for that, you know. Yo, Rose, yo. Mr. Today, the time street, come ever.
Hey, girl, always go suck your mother. Come like you want to suck my pussy. You just live for me name in a comment, dirty girl. Where you not going, man? Dog shit, me know you're from somewhere. Stop calling up my name, girl. You're obsessed with me, dog. You fuck with me. Where you call up my name for dirty girl? Go on, man. Come like leech. From me, the body life, and stop call my name. Love me, man.
No, man.
That's something for you.
Always like girl, always a suck out battle and them.
Every minute the girl just the family name, I'm in a CR. Well, you can't take me out of box. You want a box there?
Nothing always. Batty fetish. Like Batty story, I same still I follow him up.
Who like Batty story?
Jaden, to return me on. Wait, listen.
I block that bitch off of my page.
Yeah, I block people in 2 seconds, Chuck.
Yeah, man, I block them.
I don't even give them a second chance.
Just block them, yeah, just block them. Like, that's straight from with woman, you know, Batty argument too much. You know why Rose me that always attack, you know? Why me that always attack?
Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick concept for the people that's in the chat right now. Who's ready?
Ready.
No, not you guys, because y'all too busy talking. Y'all can't be tamed. So, Maga, give gifts to the people, them. They in here supporting us. Maga just give it to them. What?
Wicked man, Fabian.
What?
How would that, Jakes?
Yeah. You know, so Jake's like, man, you know, me know.
Batty boy, man.
Why y'all can't get them Jake's on? He's not in the thing.
I said call her Fabian.
Okay, Fabi, you got your 2 new words?
Yes.
What are they?
Yes.
What are they?
I can't say them.
Okay.
Yeah, good, baby, good.
Set up.
Okay, so
Nicki Minaj.
yes, baby.
What is Jaden word?
Nyam,
Again?
nyam eat bati.
Swallow and chew.
You lose your lion them, okay?
Okay.
Because you can't hear me. Now me know all of una can't hear me, so me just go on.
We can't hear him. We ain't got much music, I don't say.
I don't see it. I don't see it, I'm can't.
TikTok. We've had people come here.
Wait, are we missing anybody?
The amount of time you say, okay, I could.
No, all over
I
there.
can't see him because you say, okay.
Trouble, I said it again, babe. Interrupt me when I say
I'll
it.
make your pass, because I want to look Jesus because it is anxiety. I have to ball it out.
Yeah.
So just give me one pass. Remember me give you a pass.
Yes.
You know, give me enough.
All right. So from this point on, when I say it, you gotta just cut me off and let me know I say it. Okay? Well, you got yourself another lion, Triple. How many is that now?
I will last count.
Make us up.
Let me see. 4 lions. Wow. Well, this is a competition for the people that's commenting right quick. I'm thinking of a number. And if you write the number before I finish the sentence, you already lost. I'm doing something real quick. All right, I'm thinking of a number, y'all. So the number has 4 digits in the number. There are 4 digits in the number. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. Oh, gosh.
Nicki Minaj, we know the number.
Yeah. Yeah, Fabi, that easy. When they go to it, Fabi, man. Fool.
That have to be Jaden who was.
No, sir. Can't put that have to be Jaden who was with you.
Who's that laughing?
At GX, that's how Rose Happy Man's made.
You can't play Fabi.
Rose.
Them two dirty sin in one house, man. They can't bomb up the there. I hear them two dirty batty man, yeah. They only can't burn up.
Fabi is a Batiman?
Yeah. How will you live? China. Iraq. Rose, the animal, you know. Yeah, it's one a batty man. This is a big win. Yes, the woman is a batty man. I first will see the land so long. Yes. The woman is a batty man. How would you say?
Let me ask you, know what, Jaden?
Yeah.
Jaden, I'm gonna give you a bigger prize than I've ever given before if you can go 1 week without making any jokes about Rose's weight.
1 week?
Yeah.
Jesus. All right. Why, Nicki? That means it's not gonna make no sense. So Nicki starting tomorrow, right? No, Nicki, no, it's not gonna make sense. And the only thing I'm gonna use to try bring me down, it's not gonna make no sense. It makes sense, man. You know what I mean?
Can't say it, Rose. Him not to talk about it or him not go get it.
You know, I'm not follow him up.
No.
Let's follow him up, you know. I'm a local friend, man. No, sorry, man. I'm a big friend. Hold on, come here, Jaden. Come here. We never know, say, a Fabi auntie the carry. Fabi the carry underpants with her auntie got tie you. You ask me see over last night. So hold on, what GX use and tie you? Love. I'm married for me at 20, I know I'm soon 32. The two, because I can't rope can't hold on you. No, love. That's what they can't tell if wait.
All right. So the number is, so the person who wins, the first person who I screenshot, the first person in my screenshot that gets the number right, I'm gonna send them a line right now. Okay. The number is a 4-digit number.
2025. Four.
This is for the people in the chat, Rose.
2407.
Be quiet for 1 second. Okay, so it's a 4-digit number. The number starts with 5, and the number ends with 5. And the 2 numbers in the middle add up to 10. What is the number? Okay, I got the person. Winner. The winner is Trap Queen Rihanna.
555.
5. Oh, well, somebody had it before that person. Tyler King. 4 5s. Who else? Oh, LP had it before that. Let me see who else. name I can't pronounce. Christian. Okay. But the first person I
Jason, I want to think for popcorn. I want popcorn.
how do I get to her? How do I get to her? Try Queen Rihanna type in the chat, please.
Shall we send a request? You want to come for the live?
No, I just want a comment so I can go to her page.
I'm coming too fast. Then now come. Call him.
Let me see if I could do it. I'll come on for a second from here.
You want to get chopped? So Blamdem, how make you put my name up there, so?
If you come down, you know, did a long time screenshot. $300. Guess what flavors?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm sure, but I know some already.
I need help.
Alright, watch out now. Since Nicki Minaj send the lion at the person, I will send the lion.
Too enough. You know why? If you tell me, then I take hyper, I don't know how to look.
Let me rent you, me not the money,
March 1st.
Rent you, where alcohol in? What's stuff up, man? What alcohol there?
Loan 8 Rose. Yeah, man, you alone. Suck your mama boy.
I did what the number? What is the right number?
What on Blamdem? Blamdem, man?
55.
Just put up my pot. Some of them eat them. Add back Nicki Blamdem.
You have to delete some request then too much.
Yeah. So why some of them just stop do them just sit there? You know if you send a request I put them back.
Hey guys, I can't find her like that. I put that name in and it doesn't say that the person is on live, so you gotta have her comment.
So I have to just send a request. Let me remove. Mama, send a request. I'm going to delete some requests. Just keep sending requests. Keep press the request button until they come in. Let me see. Keep sending requests.
Nando Fit Bully said Nicki capping. What the fuck I need to cap for?
What
And
I
I
say?
the girl wouldn't start her life so quick because she not gonna just run go start her life. So that's why Nicki not see when she go. She not go see she the life. She
Send a request coming out.
Okay.
Some people still are comments on number and they fool the fuck.
Send a request coming out box.
They said she commented. Okay. No, but if she hold on. I can. If she commented, maybe I could just click her page.
Tell her to send a request coming out box so you can send it.
When I click on the person that's putting her name, it makes me go to that person. Oh yeah, I see her. Hold on. I see her.
That makes sense. Fucking
Can I send a gift like this? From like this?
Click on our page. I'm going to click on our page.
Yeah, when she comes into the box, you just click on her.
No, I'm on her page now. I'm on her page.
No. Oh, you have to add her to
Send a request, Mama. Send a request to come in our box. Send me a page so I can build a page and make it. Oh, me see her. Enough so.
Yeah, so let's click on our box now, Nikki.
But I'm on her gift gallery.
Yeah. Just click, yeah. This is a name.
It's on yours.
I say him stay can't follow him up, you know. Jaden a girl, Jaden a pick me. That's why come down when him start talk, me just...
Yo, let me tell you something. I could never be on a live listening and watching people I don't like.
True.
Oh, here you go, Trap Queen. Oh, here, let me...
That makes sure some of them coming out there.
Click for her name down the bottom. I lie. Yeah, go for the read page and watch them. Put her in a big block. Yeah, this. So just click on her name up there, so we say.
I got it.
Yeah. What's Blamdem in now? My moderator, them go move them, go remove them, you know. Why them are drunk? How are not like that? I'm just saying lion.
Watch me.
Lion.
Good job put her in the big fucking box.
You have to click on the box.
For her name.
I fucking did. Where is she?
Yeah, we click for her name.
I did. Okay, here it goes.
Click on her name. Yeah, she can.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Lion sack it make everybody picture the move so like it a shit.
One of them, they make Perino. Take Batman, come out.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
The Guani goodie. I should not hold on, put him up a star face. Move.
Excuse me?
So she humble with it, she militant, man. She not feel
Yeah. I was the first person in my first screenshot. So I know a couple people, had it already. But yeah.
What do I say? What's that drink water? So what is something to me? Yeah, I agree. Right?
They told me, they said do one more.
What?
Okay. Okay. This is for the chat. Well, you know what? Hold on.
Anybody who make you laugh, to give them some.
Okay. Why I can't come out of this box now? Okay. Okay. All right, forget that. We'll do that.
What's it? Only too greedy.
They're not being greedy. Who said that?
Rosalia said.
Oh, Rose said it?
Hello, look at Dr. Boy. Right. You know, more people. Then we are ready, fan already. I don't ever say, but don't tell me say it's Lisa, so. Alright. This was for fun.
They said I said triples were Blamdem send triple a lion.
Two lion
got a free lion.
Miss Chief, what go on? No, you're not talking. What go on?
They are observant.
Oh, you think you're lied with salary?
Oh, so wait a minute.
Yeah, she said Blamdem.
So, no.
Jaden, she said.
Blamdem, she said.
First of all, Miss Trouble, I'm not gonna keep on paying you for that word. I just realized you ain't talking. So you disqualified if you're not gonna be talking.
No, because I don't know.
If I was on here being quiet, I wouldn't be losing my mind. Until people finish. So let's give Miss Triple the floor, guys, because we've been talking for a long time and we've been able to, let's let Miss Triple talk. Yep.
We need to.
Jaden, how much lion you get now?
When that? For me, big Perry.
How much lion you have from Nicki Minaj? None.
Me chat too much, alright.
Oh, for this competition, none, but he got before. Miss Triple?
Alright, here one.
Yeah.
The rest of the night. The rest of the night, you can't say the word. We'll start over tomorrow.
So how many lions I owe you now?
I don't even know, you know.
Oh, 4.
We can't say no give you minus, the minus, what the TikTok money.
So, who asked about gift Blamdem?
So much you owe TikTok, Blamdem?
Yeah, but we can't cash up, but we can't say nothing.
Blamdem, me to Blamdem. Me
use
to
me, they put some
you.
foolish back up here show gift.
But you got too much, man.
That's drive on it.
Yeah, me can't give for me
Me can't cash up, but me can't,
Yeah, so that...
You can't take out the money, but you can't show that you can't reach.
That was happening to me, but I re-downloaded it.
Boy, that could happen to me too. Jesus.
I can't get for recharge.
You gotta re-download the app.
no, I saw some phone full card with the put on it, I can't.
Yeah, man, that's a fool, so you usually shoot for yourself.
No, bro, I have shoot for yourself, I know to do that.
So I'm going to shoot himself on the main page.
On the main page.
Don't say a fool.
Not shoot for myself, I say a full fool.
A too slim person attacking them, you know how you jump in, you know. You know if you jump? No, I know one smell good people. I want shit up one here attack. That's why you can't say one smell good people. That makes sense? Yeah, one smell good someone and Blamdem. They hear him do attack. You say one smell good people.
Well, anyway, shout out to all of the good pussy gal them on the live. Shout out to all of the good dick man them. Shout out to all of the
Yeah.
Jaden, why are you so obsessed with your tongue?
Yeah, make it on.
Make it time. And then Fabi is cheating as